We're showing you right now all the electric motorbikes that's available here in Cebu City, the Eco Drive. This shop here is located in Guadalupe. So we're looking at the Fun 350S for 27,900. Charging for this motorbike is 4 to 5 hours electric, and then 60 kilometers for one charging is the capacity that it's gonna run. So you can see the three colors here for the Fun 350S, and over here is the red one of the Fun 350. Costs only 27,000. There's only two models of the Fun 350. Next one. This is the Candy 650. Candy 650 costs 35,100, but you can also do it in installment for 3,900 down payment. Next model is the Blitz 1500. Blitz 1500 is 40,500 pesos cash and 10% down payment. You can have an installment until 3 years. 3 years ang installment.
Within 1 year, zero.
And if you have an installment for just 1 year, you can have it good as cash. But their maximum installment is 3 years. This is the Econo 350 Duo. Econo 350 Duo is 36,900, and for down payment of 4,000 you can have it as installment for 1 year, which is good as cash, or 3 years. This is their latest model. The ECAB 1000. The ECAB 1000 costs 95,000 pesos, and the down payment is 10%. So you can see the seating capacity. This is the driver area. I don't think it's now. Dili pa ba niya siya marehistro doon, no?
Magkakaroon, ma'am. Sila po dito ginag-registration na nila.
So the registration for this kind of bikes, the eco drives, eco bikes, are not approved yet, but it's going on in the council, city council. So this ECAB 1000 got 4 charging batteries. That's the Blitz, that's the motorcycle model. Bisa ang inyong murag motor dong dili gyapon marehistro.
Kaya siya, ma'am. Category nga giniingon sa LTO ay registered is above 40 ang top speed i-register. So kini siya possible na gini siya.
So
Kini siya.
they now have a ruling that above 40 kilometers of the top speed can now be registered. So they are very positive about the motorbike, the Candy, and the Blitz. Kani Blitz 1500. And the Candy 650. So these two models are the one they're hoping that it will be approved this year for registration with the Land Transportation Office. Dili ba siya class 20 yung speed card?
Dili po to. Kaya ang isa ka full charge pa mo gasto na siya 20 pesos. Isa ka full
So
charge.
upon their calculation, one full charge you only spend 8 pesos, so it's more cheaper than a gasoline. So one charging is 60 kilometers run. 60 kilometers kada po sa dagat na ilang